Yo, what's up everybody? It's David Akins, and let me tell you something. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes. This right here, this is about real hustle, real grind, and turning a measly $100 into a six-figure business. Please subscribe and share this video. You think it's impossible? I was right there with you. But I'm here to tell you, not only is it possible, but I'm gonna break it down step by step, exactly how I did it. So buckle up because this is about to get real. Look, the first thing you gotta do is stop overthinking and start looking around. Often we get so caught up in our thoughts that we miss the opportunities right in front of us. Take a moment to observe your surroundings, the people you interact with, and the challenges they face daily. What's a problem people need solved? Think about the conversations you have with friends, family, or colleagues. What are the common complaints or issues they bring up? These are potential gold mines for ideas, something they'll actually shell out cash for. It's not just about identifying a problem, it's about finding one that people are willing to pay to have solved. This is crucial because it determines the viability of your solution as a business. For me, it was digging through thrift stores, finding hidden gems, and flipping them online for a profit. It started as a hobby, but I quickly realized there was a market for unique secondhand items. People love the idea of owning something with a story, something they couldn't find in regular stores. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter what it is. Dog walking? Boom. It's a simple service, but for busy pet owners, it's a lifesaver. They are more than willing to pay someone to ensure their furry friends get the exercise and attention they need. Graphic design? You got it. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly in need of eye-catching visuals for their marketing campaigns, websites, and social media. If you have a knack for design, you can turn that skill into a lucrative freelance career. Creating online courses? Even better. With the rise of e-learning, there's a huge demand for quality educational content. If you're knowledgeable in a particular field, you can create courses that help others learn new skills or improve existing ones. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera make it easy to reach a global audience. The point is, find that sweet spot where your skills meet a need, and you're already halfway there. It's about leveraging what you already know and love to do, and finding a way to make it valuable to others. When you align your passion with a market demand, not only do you create a sustainable business, but you also enjoy the process. So, start today. Look around, listen, and take action. The opportunities are endless if you're willing to see them. Listen, I started with $100, that was it. No trust fund, no angel investors, just pure hustle. And that's what you gotta do too. Reinvest every single dollar back into your business. Made $50 profit flipping that vintage jacket? Great. Use it to find 2 more jackets, providing freelance writing services. Invest in a course to level up your skills. The name of the game is momentum. Keep pushing, keep growing, and don't underestimate the power of small, consistent wins. Let me tell you something, the most valuable assets you have are time and money. These 2 resources are finite, and once they're gone, you can't get them back. Think about it. Every second that ticks away is a moment you could be using to create something amazing, to build your future, to invest in yourself. And every dollar you spend is a choice, a decision that can either bring you closer to your goals or push you further away. You gotta treat them like the precious commodities they are. Imagine holding a gold coin in your hand, feeling its weight, knowing its value. Now think of your time in the same way. Every minute is a golden opportunity, a chance to make a difference, to learn something new, to take a step closer to your dreams. Don't waste it. And money? It's not just paper or numbers on a screen, it's a tool, a means to an end. Use it wisely, invest it, grow it. Working a 9 to 5? I feel you. It's tough, it's draining, and sometimes it feels like there's no end in sight. But here's the thing, your job is just one part of your life. It's a means to an end, a way to fund your dreams. Don't let it consume you. Use your time at work to learn, to grow, to network. And when the day is done, don't just collapse on the couch. Use those evenings, those weekends to build your empire. Use those evenings, those weekends to build your empire. This is your time to shine, to work on your side hustle, to develop your skills, to plan your future. It's not easy, and it requires sacrifice, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine looking back in a few years and seeing how far you've come, knowing that you made the most of every moment. And for God's sake, track your money. Every penny earned, every dollar spent. It's not just about saving, it's about understanding where your money goes, making informed decisions, and being in control of your financial future. There are so many tools available to help you with this. budget planners, financial apps, even simple spreadsheets. Find what works for you and stick to it. Every penny earned, every dollar spent, it's all part of the bigger picture. When you know where your money is going, you can make better decisions, avoid unnecessary expenses, and invest in things that truly matter. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Don't wait until you're in debt or struggling to make ends meet. Start now, take control, and watch your financial situation improve. There are apps for that, free ones, that keep you on point. These tools are designed to make your life easier, to help you stay organized, and to give you a clear picture of your financial health. Use them to set budgets, track expenses, and monitor your progress. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, guiding you every step of the way. Because here's the cold, hard truth. Most people fail because they're careless with their time and their money. But not you. You're different. You're smarter. You're more disciplined, and you're willing to put in the work. You understand the value of time and money, and you're committed to making the most of both. It's not always easy, and there will be challenges along the way, but you have what it takes to succeed. You're smarter, you're hungrier, and you're gonna win. Celebrate your small victories, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Stay focused, stay motivated, and remember that every moment and every dollar counts. Treat your time and money like gold, and you'll achieve greatness. Alright, you've put in the work, you've got the momentum, now it's time to scale this thing. What got you here won't get you there, so get ready to level up. Start outsourcing tasks you don't need to do yourself. Packing and shipping orders, hire someone. Social media getting overwhelming, automate it. Remember those profits you've been reinvesting. Time to put them towards bigger and better opportunities. Think outside the box, find ways to work smarter, not harder, and watch your business explode. I'm telling you right now, the world is yours for the taking. Every opportunity, every possibility is out there waiting for you. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is the action you take today. Imagine the life you want to live, the goals you want to achieve, and the impact you want to make. It's all within your reach if you dare to take that first step. There's never been a better time to start a business, to chase your dreams, and to turn your passions into reality. The world is more connected than ever before, and the resources you need are at your fingertips. Whether it's technology, mentorship, or funding, the tools to succeed are more accessible than ever. You have the power to create something extraordinary, something that can change lives, including your own. To build something incredible, all it takes is that one great idea and the relentless drive to make it a reality. Think about the problems you can solve, the innovations you can bring to life, and the communities you can uplift. Your creativity and determination are the keys to unlocking a future filled with endless possibilities. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Embrace the challenge and push forward with confidence. The journey won't be easy, and there will be obstacles along the way. But remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson learned, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. The relentless drive to make your dreams a reality is what will set you apart from the rest. So what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Take that leap of faith and start building the future you envision. Drop a comment below, tell me your business idea, and let's brainstorm together. Share your vision, your goals, and your challenges. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who support and inspire each other. Your idea could be the next big thing, and with the right support and guidance, you can turn it into a reality. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and seek feedback. Collaboration and networking are essential to success. Hit that like button if you found this video inspiring, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more motivational content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips, strategies, and success stories that can help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Share this video with someone who needs that extra push, someone who has the potential to achieve greatness but just needs a little encouragement. Together we can create a ripple effect of positivity and success. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs that extra push. Let's go! Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Take action today and let's make it happen together. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts now. Let's embark on this adventure and create a future filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Let's go!